make me come through. It's really too good to be true. And got me feeling high. Want a taste of you.
Okay, I just finished oiling my hair, so let's ignore the fact that I look like an egg. I hate slicking back my hair because my boyfriend's coming here around 2. I need to clean up my room because exam season, final week of school, it's just gotten out of hand. I need to work out, shower, get ready, and work on my literature review. So let's see if I can get all of that done within the next couple of hours before 2 p.m. I'm almost done this. I am refusing to throw it out because there is still some product around. This, however, I think it is essentially done because I'm not getting much product and I can't even reach the end or the sides. This is definitely done. Yes.
We're back here. This is chocolate. What is it? You cannot do this to me.
Why?
It is. It is. I know. New, old. Hello.
That is not me. I'm so exhausted. You know what? I don't recommend retail work to anyone. Retail work has literally disintegrated my body. My body has become a puddle of nothing. It's like no matter how much you work out and how much you try, you will just become pain. I got home around, I think, 5 and it's almost 8. It's 7:44 right now. So I've been resting all that time and I'm still in pain. My shoulders hurt, my back hurt, my feet hurt. But I need to push through because I have expectations. I can't just relax this entire time. I'm going to attempt to write 1 paragraph because if it was really truly up to me, I would do nothing. I will get one paragraph done. Doesn't matter if it's the worst paragraph ever or if it makes absolutely no sense. If I can get ideas from here into here, that's all I need. Pinky promise. Pinky promise right now. Good. Because if I don't get this done and you guys don't do anything, we're gonna have a problem. And you know what? I'm gonna do an ASMR because I'm obsessed with my new keyboard and you all deserve to hear how it sounds. Guess what? I finished writing my paragraph at 9:30ish and it's currently 9:57. Does the paragraph make sense? No. It's just more so like grammar and making it sound nice and professional, which I'll do that on Monday. And I have my first sentence for my next paragraph. So that is a win. Considering that I did not want to do this and that this was the last thing I wanted to do and I still did it. Proud of myself. Now let's go wash up because I'm done. I have another appointment at 3 p.m. so I need to probably leave at like around 2. It's currently 10:49, so I have about 1 hour. I've been trying to work on this, but I'll work on it when I get home as well. But I need to figure out how my method works and actually use it in a pilot study. And I'm just trying to figure out exactly how that works. And I think that's going to take a long time, but I want to get like a little bit done because I do want to work out and shower and get ready. But that's going to be the plan for today. It's going to be finding out how this method works and also working on my literature review. And I really hope I can get a chunk of both of them done. And so that if I have any questions, I can ask my supervisor. So. Hello. I am back from the dentist. It did not take that long, but there was a lot of traffic getting home, so it was hella expensive. My insurance did not cover it for some reason, so I need to investigate what's going on. And I literally did not take any break because we need to get going. By the way, little sidetrack. I don't love the color payoff that the regular mode of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 gives me. The color just, it looks way too warm for my taste. And with all the white background, I don't like it. The color looks amazing and beautiful outside, vibrant colors, but when it's just like a muted room, it's not giving much and I don't like it. So I'm filming the next few clips in D-Log mode. And so I'm going to color grade it myself. I don't like color grading. I've attempted to do it. I just find I'm too indecisive to settle on a setting. We'll see how this looks once I color grade it, but ranting over. I am back at my table. I got some green tea. I'm going to continue working on the okra, investigate a little bit more, and then I'm gonna take a little break and then I'll get back to working on my literature review. So let's get to it. took a really long break because we had some guests over and I had to go be a good host. But I am back at my desk. The thing that I was trying to figure out with my methodology turns out to be a lot more complicated than I was anticipating. So I sent an email to my supervisor so that we can have a little meeting and like figure out my confusion. So now I'm gonna work on my lit review. My goal is to finish my introduction. Okay, great news. I was able to breeze through my introduction. I finished my rough draft for that. And now I'm moving on to the actual core of the lit review. And the first paragraph is already done because I did it like in my assignment. This assignment that we did for my class in the fall semester, it's supposed to guide us with our thesis. And so all the information that we used for that literature review can be used towards our actual thesis. Obviously, my topic is not solidified yet, so I have been making adjustments just based on what my core idea is about. And so it is significantly different, especially in the introduction, but some general statements are the same. And so my first paragraph is about coffee culture. And so not much needs to be changed about that. So I'm really happy that I could just reuse that. It's currently Tuesday. I was really excited to have the entire day today to just get work done, be productive, because I had like a good end to my day yesterday. Tell me why I woke up with a sore throat. Yeah, and I feel extremely weak. I have no energy. I was laying in bed for like the past hour or so. I had some honey lemon tea in the morning, but today's not it. I'm not having it. I didn't even do my like morning walk. So I decided enough is enough. I cannot waste my day just being in bed, and no matter how horrible I feel, I need to really get to it. I decided to get ready because when you look good, you feel good. So I got ready. I'm just gonna go downstairs, take my laptop and everything downstairs, get some work done. Even if I finish 2 sections, I'm happy with that as long as I do something productive. So yeah, I'll do that. I'm gonna make a coffee because I didn't have my morning coffee, and maybe that will give me some more energy. I feel like in all my videos, one key theme is that I am tired and exhausted.
terserah.